I got a new one show. New ability has been acquired. Achievement. Oh, we got waiting on strongest weapon. Ooh, we even got one show strongest weapon. We even got Pink Day's strongest weapon. Well, I'll be darned. It's crazy. It's crazy, 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 crazy. That is really good. Use that. Wait, that don't want to work. Now we gotta do this. I gotta go to air. That's letting it. Yep. Air is much better. Okay, okay. We're gonna brave. So the next battle we're going to is the Battle of Uruwara Castle. I don't want to do that yet. The next battle we're going to is okay, let's do where is he? Where's he one show? There he is. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. If I ever get Warrior Orochi 2, I'm just gonna go do this way. I think this is the best way. Who's next on the chopping block? We'll save these guys for... Ooh. And we'll save these guys for... Way. And we'll save these guys for shoot. I don't know, Zinkai is really slow. So we did... who was the other guy we played as? It wasn't Yamazo. I forget the... Wait, it was... What? Way on. It was way on. Why is Wei Yan young? Because I don't know. Yep, let's go. So next battle we're going to fight against the we're gonna get a new character. I think it's gonna be Matsune Date. So we're gonna do the battle with Matsune Date. We're gonna play us to... wait, you only gotta play just shoot. Yeah, you. Be strong. Super later. Zhao Yu. Doesn't get anything yet. We'll probably keep Zhao Yu. And I wanna play somebody else. Who do we didn't really play for this fight? Maybe the Nanmen people? I could do that. Okay. Change character. We'll get rid of, we'll keep Yuan Xiao for a while. Dengde for, let's see, Manguo or, yeah. No, not Manguo. Matsumone, I don't know good here. Yokomoto Sarada, and you know what? Yokomoto Sarada, and you know what? Yeah, we'll just do this team. Does Yokomoto have any watch village? He does not. Okay, you do. 3 officers, 10 minutes, start with Musu, whatever. And then you're done. Okay. Yeah, off screen, I think if I ever get Warrior Orochi 2, I'm just gonna skip that. Okay, let's do 2x, the 5x. Yeah, 5x. So basically in this battle we have to play as our units fighting Matsune Date. We get Matsune Date.
Had set up his camp in G18. force the surrender of xiuhhou.
Okay.
In order to defeat this powerful foe, xiuhhou turned to Masune's friend, Orochi Saika, as the commander of this battle.
Okay.
Orochi strolled confidently to the battlefield, with the two beauties, xiuhhou and xiuhhou, by his side.
Obviously. Wait, what is that supposed to do? Distract the enemy? I guess. I have no idea. So we need Yuan Show, get 3 kills without performing. Is it Musu? Do battle. Yeah. Officers that perform Musu and your corners set it up. I can get him higher. Conditions: defeat Matsune date. Majuiki Saika is defeated. We have Zuro, Zinkai, Ryutong, and wait, tribal people. Wait, did actually? So it's legit. But they said that she's not real. I mean, enemy officers. Oh, ah. Okay. Saying she. Oh, I think I just. Is that Shu? That's like what you call it. That's the most unique to character design. Nobody has that. Nobody has this outfit. So Liu Bei's wife, and Sun Quan's and Sun Ci's sister. Some samurai dude. Sao Cao's cousins? Sons? So one of the sons? I don't know. Zheng Yi? What faction is he from? Shu? Who? Wei? One of the. Zheng Wei? Zheng Wei? Is that Shu? Wait, do you really have Zheng Wei? Dong Qi? Wu Tu? And Feng Ji. Okay. Maybe mostly Shu? I feel like most of these guys are Shu. I mean, mostly Wu. I mean, not Wu. No, that's part of Dongzhou. Guotu? Is it Guotu part of is it Guotu part of Yuan Shao faction? Guotu maybe part of Yuan Shao. Okay, let's begin. So let's go kick some butt. I like Yuan Shao. I like him. What's up?
Alright girls, advance down both flanks. Trap Masune in the middle.
Okay. So we gotta protect the girls.
Pesky little enemy soldiers everywhere.
Yeah, you got that right, girl. Yeah. I don't know, I feel like they give you like way too many characters around that.
When the defense on the flanks weakens, hit them with all you got.
Okay.
Hold your positions. Wait until they're vulnerable.
Masune has no idea how to help. He's not even letting my girls through.
Watch the enemy closely. Advance carefully on both sides.
Plans are in place. Time to execute.
Ah, Shang-Chi.
Here, little birdie.
So the idea of this battle is you have to have Matsumoto's strategies to win. So that is great. Okay, I'm gonna go fight the enemies on there. I'm gonna fight these guys. Not those guys, these guys. We gotta go fight these two. So we're gonna get what's called it. Oh. Yes.
Interesting. Very well. I'll play along.
Jingwei.
Masune doesn't keep this guy happy.
Is that Shu? Or I don't know.
It's all you.
Oh, wait, didn't you beat that guy? Okay, I got it. I didn't see the yeah, there was like a whole bunch of base captains at the bottom. None to face me. Where's the one that goes target eliminated? Dang, I don't know. You sound like Don Jewel's army. Die. Why are you arguing with a little base white? I hate backing up. So do I. You've been betrayed of the heart, I see. Wait, where's the... Oh. It's a bad you each. What else have you tried about people? Oh, squire. Yes. Wait, there was another try that joined Shu later on. Thank you. Zinkai.
No enemy shall ever surpass me.
Yes. Yeah, pretty soon after this, we're gonna go watch. Oh, we gotta do the dojo. Oh, the old man strategist. It's been almost since I actually saw that one. That's a lot of enemies. Okay, let's fight the base captains. Oh. Okay, that's good. No, I wanted to fight the base captain, base captain, base captain, base captain. Yes.
We might not make it through this.
Oh, I actually want to go. Yes! Take me to your leader. 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 Okay, good job. Well, no, I think it's Wan Xiao's army. Yes. It's either Wan Xiao or Guangzhou. Dong Zhuo's army. No, it's Dong Zhuo's army. I almost forgot. Yeah, it's Dong Zhuo's army. Oh god, are they female samurai? Charge! And then Matsune did. A lot of base captains. Look at all the bases we have left. Good. We're almost done with the officers. And then the next battle will be joint force of the Wu and Shu versus a common enemy, Saika. Oh my gosh, there's another one. Die all of you! Oh. Yeah. decisions.
I won't be outdone.
Oh my goodness, you're on a roll. You just defeated, oh, it's only just enough money. Let's go.
Here I come. Your name will mean nothing when you're cold in the ground. Fine. My head is yours. Take it, you blind fool.
Your head's more used to be on your shoulder than off. You can come with me. It's time you took a look at your Serpent King from the outside.
Impressive, my
Fun.
Orochi. Though you're still not the man my main foe is.
See? You're pretty strong when you take things seriously.
Yay!
Ladies, no need to fight. There's enough of me to go around.
No enemy shall ever surpass me.
Johnny got boss. And I'm pretty sure we're still gonna get 3 to 4 star weapons. Yeah. Matsune date has been a while. Garbage, 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 garbage. Good weapon. Ah, there we are. See, I told you. So the next following battles, what you call it? Oh, like, pretty soon we have to go to the, Okay, hope you guys enjoy. That was Warrior Oroshi's gameplay. Now we have to go to, so let's see. Okay, this battle is gonna be the... Is this the battle with the water? Yeah, this battle is with the water. This is with the... Now I remember. This is the battle with the water, where you get Matsune. Miyamoto. Yeah, talk about that later. How long do we have for